be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, so we have a new pad, water distribution tray, the pad rails, and the drain pan. You'll notice these pad rails have tabs. There's 2 on each. And we're going to snap them into these little slots here on the drain pan. So let's do that one at a time, and we'll snap into position. There we go. And slide this in there and snap it in. All right, so now this pad frame is ready to go. Now we're going to take the pad. Now you'll notice there's a spray paint mark here. That is indicating the top. It's only on the one edge. So this is the bottom right here. So we want that spray paint mark pointing the opposite direction. All right. Again, here's that spray paint mark. It's towards the top. And we're going to take our distribution tray and just slide it right on there. All right, we have a complete assembly. Now, you will notice right here, it says front. It's imprinted right into the plastic. So that's the front, which means this side must be the back. The back goes towards the furnace or ductwork. The front should be towards you, pointing towards you. All right, now that we've replaced the pad, we're going to put it back in there. It says front right here. That's going to be facing us. And the drain spud here is going to, of course, go to the bottom and connect to that drain. So it goes in the drain assembly and snaps right into position. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.